Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make a tote bag. Let's get started. So first I'm gonna mark 20 cm from the bottom and 30 cm at the top from the point, 40 cm from that point, and I'm gonna use the lines on my fabric as the guide. I'm going to draw 1 cm seam allowance at the side and 3 cm at the top. I'm going to secure it with a pin. Remember, my fabric is on fold. And I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna flip it to the wrong side. And snip right at the 20 cm notch. I'm gonna fold this right to the point where I've notched and secure it with a pin. I'm going to stitch 1 cm line on both sides, but before that let's iron the top. I'm using a board marked 3 cm as a guidance for me. So I'm folding 3 cm. Half of that, and repeat it on the other side. And let's stitch the side seam. I've also overlocked the sides just so it looks nice and neat, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the finishing at the top. Gonna flip it inside out, and we're gonna keep this aside and go ahead with the straps. So I'm gonna take back my fabric, and I'm using the lines on my fabric again as the guide. I'm gonna just cut it out. So we will need 2 straps. I'm gonna fold it and pin it. Do the same to the other. So I'm going to just stitch it along. I'm going to flip it to the right side using my finger. You can also use a safety pin, but I'm just going to use my finger. Sorry guys, just a little distracted with the biscuit. Oh, we're done. Not really, but we're gonna attach the strap onto the bag. I'm trimming off the edges of the strap. And right now I'm gonna just pin it onto the bag. But first, let's measure. So I'm gonna use a 9 cm measurement right from the side and just mark it. You want to measure it just because you want all the sides to be balanced. And you can secure it with a pin. Do the same to the other side. And now we're going to go ahead and just stitch it. That's how it should look, 2 lines. Do the same on all the other 4 sides. I'm going to stitch 1 cm at the edge of the strap, just so it doesn't fray more. And we're done. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week.